What's going on, people? Welcome back to the channel. This is Billy Dan, and we're going to be looking at the price of Bitcoin, and we're also going to be looking at the price of gold and seeing where it could possibly go in the coming week. Now, this is the price of Bitcoin against the US dollar, and we can see that we've had many rejections from this 72 to $70,000 level, and we've been stuck in this range since March of this year. Now we can see, if we zoom in, Bitcoin is finding support around the $60,000 level, and if you go and check our last video, we did talk about this M pattern playing out. We did talk about when Bitcoin was priced around 68,000, how we could possibly come down to 60,000, and this is exactly where we're seeing price bounce from and finding support yet again. So what do I expect next for Bitcoin? Well, what I can see is that there is a heavy downtrend trend line that seems like, if it's not yet, that it might be broken very soon, and this could be the trigger to start seeing Bitcoin move to the upside and retest these highs. And if that is possible with the right data, a break of these highs to the left, getting above $73,000 will probably spark some price discovery to higher levels. So I'm expecting Bitcoin to do some sort of U-turn, and be very interested to see what happens when it gets back to the 66,000 area. But if we do start breaking below $60,000 again this week, then we'll have to reanalyze the price of Bitcoin. And if Bitcoin does start finding strength and continues to the upside, then a lot of the altcoins are going to recover, and they're going to recover very quickly. So I hope you're positioned in the altcoins. We've got our top 5 meme coin video, we've got our top 5 AI coin video also, with the individual videos also on the channel. So if you haven't watched any of those, go watch those now, as there's some great picks over there, and we'll be dropping plenty more with plenty more content. Now let's quickly go look at the price of gold. Now, looking at the price of gold against the US dollar, we can see that Thursday's candle was a nice strong bullish candle, and Friday's candle closed pretty much where the candle opened. Now, depending on the strength of the dollar in this up and coming week, there's two scenarios I see for gold. I see gold possibly coming back down to this $2,300 level, but if we start breaking above 2,340, then I will expect gold to start heading to the $2,360 level. So I'll be interested to see what happens on Monday and see if there's any indications whether we should be taking some sales to the downside or some buys to the upside. But I'm sure there'll be plenty of volatility in the up and coming week. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. This is Billy Dan. Until the next video,